Hi guys, this is Hector. Today is the 12th of July 2007. It's 2 p.m. London time, and well, I've triggered the short entry on the USD Canadian dollar. It was propelled by the news. I had a sell stop order placed, and well, as I came back from lunch, it seems that it's been triggered while I was eating, basically. Let me show you what I'm seeing on my charts. It's one of the setups that I shared with the guys on my mailing list this morning. USD Canadian dollar on the daily chart. Okay, nice downtrend. We've seen a retrace back to the dynamic area of support, resistance, sorry, along with the 50% Fibonacci level and the 10600 round number. With a nice hammer candlestick formation for all of you guys who follow well, this type of trading. I'm not too keen on them, but nonetheless I know there are some folks who actually like them and follow them, so well, why not to point it out. Anyway, zooming into the shorter time frames, as I was mentioning in the previous video, the retracement trend line has been broken. Breakout, pullback, continuation. There is where I had my sell stop order right there, and well, it got triggered by this long red bar there, which well, it was basically propelled, like I say, by the news. Anyway, nonetheless, regardless of the reason as of why it's been taken, you know that I'm not keen on being in the market as the news come out. However, this is a technical analysis decision, okay, a technical based decision. It's just been fueled by the news. But nonetheless, I didn't take this decision based on the news. Okay, it was based on technical, on my own technical understanding on what's going on the chart. I don't know, I might be perfectly wrong, but well, nonetheless, that's what I'm seeing in the chart. Okay, so entry 104.95. Stop loss up here 105.30. It is good. It's a very tight stop loss, considering this is a long-term trade, and well, basically I'm shooting for a move to the downside. The stop loss will be moved to a break even as we hit this former the previous swing low at 104.50. Okay, I will take half of my position out at that level for 43 pips at the time. If we reach that here all the way by if the projection, if this move keeps moving my way, I will take half position out there, like I say, for 42 pips. And well, I will move stop to break even, and then I will let the second half of the trade run well to its full potential, to its full potential targets, all the way down to around the 10300 level. Okay. For well, quite a nice run to the downside. It is going to be if it finally reaches down there around 200 points, 200 pips of profit. But nonetheless, like I say, I've just triggered the entry. Let's see. Okay. Then another setup that I'm following, GBP against the New Zealand dollar. I just talked about this one in the previous video before going for lunch. Okay, this nice bounce off the dynamic area of support. I'm seeing in the shorter time frames. I'm seeing two retracement trend lines broken. Okay, this one, the first one that's been broken with 1, 2, 3 reversal formation, explained on the chapter number 3 on the course, and as then we are now breaking the second retracement trend line, and as we make new lows for the day, below the 259 round number level. I will reassess the situation at that time, depending on how my my other trade involving the New Zealand dollar. I don't know if you guys remember, I'm positioned in a short trade on the Australian dollar against the New Zealand dollar. Okay. So far this was entry level of current market price is up down here for about, I don't know, 27, 28 pips, something like that for the time being. What I might do if this trade, the GBP against the Kiwi, does actually trigger, okay, I will move my stop to break even on the other trade in order to not be well, double exposed to the Kiwi. Okay, so like I say, if the other one triggers, this one will I will move a stop to break even on this one. I will be effectively positioned in two trades and still only risking one of them. Okay. It's all about management, in-trade management, as I like to explain to my students. Well, that's about it, guys. Those are the three trades, the three setups that I'm considering. Okay, one position is already open. This short on the Canadian dollar right there, plus 2 pips now in profit. I just opened it, so well, it will take some time to unfold. The other trade that I'm currently involved with is the Australian dollar against the New Zealand dollar. Short here, current market price there, and considering to move a stop to break even in that one if the third setup that I'm following for today, the GBP against the Kiwi, well, if it triggers, if it drops below the 259 round number level, I will possibly consider a short entry, moving the stop loss on the previous setup that I just showed you to break even. All right. Okay, guys, that's all. I'm stepping out of my trading station for today. I'm gonna place my sound alarms on my charts, and well, it's time for me to wrap up the day. Okay. All right, folks. Bye bye.